Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. Getting a lot of traffic here like this that's unusual. Came out a few minutes ago. I saw them put that road closed sign up. That's the sheriff's deputy there. And highway patrol. The gray car is the highway patrol, the black one is the sheriff. Even the fire truck's going that way. This section of US64 is closed for some reason. So they're diverting them down that road almost to Franklinville and near the Deep River. Then they turn right on Andrew Hunter Road and come back up to the next light down there. And these people are probably diverted to the next light this way, coming around. I showed you what that route was when they cut the road. Don't know the reason. I heard a little bit of commotion out here. Those are probably people that were shopping over there at that place and then they need to get out. Yeah, that's what's going on. Okay, if I find out later what it is, I'll put it on the video. Again, those people go down that road to the hit Andrew Hunter and then come back. And other people, when they're at that light, they go around and come back this way. Official closing, don't know the reason. Maybe something to do with the pipeline, maybe due to an accident, can't say. Didn't hear any sirens. Steve AB4L, just being nosy, saying see you and 73. Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. Well, the roadblock lasted about 20 minutes and then they let up on it. Now I think I know what was going on. It's coming up on the left. These guys were doing their work here. I saw several of these high tower trucks, crane trucks, come out during the roadblock, and you see they needed to do this work with the line going across. That's why the highway was closed. That line may have had to come down low enough that trucks shouldn't be going by, and so they closed this section of the road temporarily. Or they dropped the line accidentally, but it's probably the first scenario. And then once they got things set up and they knew the line wouldn't droop, then the highway got opened again. Okay, we found a simple explanation of what went on. No accident, it's just routine maintenance work. Keeping the infrastructure healthy and usable into the future, which is great. And that's a part of the refurbishment of our local electrical distribution system that I've been showing you in a few past videos. Steve AB4L headed to Faith Rock Trail for his heart health climb on this beautiful in the 50s degree Fahrenheit range today. Saying see you.